Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today's video, I'm going to show you how to make something that's been around for a long time, Hamburger Helper, and you don't have to make it out the box anymore. You can just make it from scratch and it's really simple. So if you want to see how I make mine, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like this video, you guys. It really does help my channel out a whole lot. Share it with everybody you know, and don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So now talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So on this cold winter snowy day, I decided to make some comfort food like some Hamburger Helper. And so I'm just going to start off by taking my knife and I'm going to chop around a tablespoon of some fresh garlic. And I'm going to use a pound of ground beef, and I like to use the lean ground beef because when you cook it, it doesn't have a whole lot of fat, and that's what you want. So I'm just going to take it out the package and I'm just going to take it over to the stove because we're going to brown it up. And I have a cast iron skillet. I love using my cast iron skillet, and I have it on medium high, and I'm just going to put the meat in the pan. I'm just going to brown it up until it's completely cooked. So now it's time to season up the meat, and I have a tablespoon of onion powder. I have 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. I love that stuff. I have a teaspoon of black pepper, and I'm going to go ahead and add in that chopped garlic and 2 teaspoons of dried parsley. And for more flavor, I'm going to add a 6-ounce can of tomato paste. Wow, everything is coming together and your kitchen is going to smell so good right now. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to add 4 cups of beef broth. And I'm going to add a half a cup of water. And also 2 teaspoons of some Worcestershire sauce. And just grab your spoon and just begin to stir and mix all of those amazing ingredients together. And then you're ready to add 2 cups of some elbow macaroni pasta. And so you want everything to cook between 15 to 20 minutes or until the pasta is tender. So at this time, I wanted to give it a quick taste test and decided to add some sea salt so that it can taste perfect. And you notice while it's cooking, the pasta is expanding and it's really soaking in all of that delicious flavor. And when everything is fully cooked and your pasta is nice and tender, you don't want to overcook your pasta. You want to turn off the heat. And at the very end, you want to add in 2 cups of sharp shredded cheddar cheese. And yes, that is a tongue twister, but you just want to add in a little bit at a time until all of the cheese is completely melted into your Hamburger Helper. And that's it, homemade hamburger helper. No more grabbing that box. It's a cozy one-pot meal that you can enjoy on these cold days, on these rainy days, these snowy days. Really simple ingredients that you probably have in your kitchen right now. So go ahead and give it a try. And make sure to enjoy it while it's nice and hot. But we are done, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with everybody you know. Follow me, tag me on Instagram. And if you give it a try, please comment down below and let me know what you think. Now wait, you guys, before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button down at the bottom. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.